Hi, welcome to Time Value of Money Lesson 1. My name is Steve Freuchen, and thanks for joining the class. Today I'm talking about time value of money. Whether you're just thinking about a career in finance or just saving up for a new car, here's a little piece of math that will help you along your way. In Lesson 1, you'll be learning the basics about compounding and discounting. Compound interest is interest on interest. You start with $1,000 and at the end of the year you earn 5%, which is $50. So you end up with $1,050. In the second year, you earn 5% on $1,050, not the original $1,000. What we're talking about is figuring the amount you'll have after a number of years without having to do a separate calculation for each year. Here's the formula. Future value equals the present value, the amount you started with, times 1 plus the interest rate to the power of n per. What does this mean? It means that you can calculate the future value, FV, of a sum of money you invest if you know the amount you are investing, PV for present value, the rate you expect your investment to grow, rate, and the time you expect your investment to grow, n per, for number of periods. We're going to use years for the last item. Let's take a look at a sample problem that I have put into an Excel spreadsheet I provided for you to download. I entered $10,000 as my original investment, which is a certificate of deposit or CD that I got at my bank. My CD earns me 5% per year, so I entered that amount as the growth rate. If I hold the CD for 10 years, I will have $16,288.95 at the end. Not bad. What I'm hoping you learn here is to anticipate what will happen if I change any of these figures. It is crucial to your understanding of the computation. Now, I had this spreadsheet pre-filled with the original investment of $10,000, growth rate of 5%, and time period of 10 years. What if I change the growth rate? In the second row, I decreased the rate from 5% to 3%. When I did that, the future value of my CD decreased to $13,439.16. So, if you reduce the interest rate, your savings grow slower. You probably knew that, but this is the math behind that knowledge. Let's try it again, but this time, in the third row, I increased the growth rate from 5% to 8%. This time, the value of the CD after 10 years shot up to $21,589.25. If you can find a CD that pays 8%, let me know. Even 5% is kind of high these days. But the point here is that the greater the interest rate, the faster your money grows. It's as simple as that. That's the math. At this point, I'd like you to download the spreadsheet to try a few of these yourself. Click on the Compounding tab at the bottom to get started. Be sure to type only in the white areas. Notice how future value changes as you change the other variables. It's important for you to try this out to see how the computation works. When you are done working with the spreadsheet, please come to the next segment and I'll continue with the lesson.